The Herdio 5.25-inch Bluetooth ceiling speakers offer a seamless installation experience, allowing you to easily mount them on any wall in your home or office. These speakers come equipped with a USB flash memory reader and an aux input, making it convenient to play and charge your devices while enjoying your favorite tunes. With a maximum power of 160 watts, these ceiling speakers deliver clear and responsive sound thanks to their polypropylene cone and rubber edge design. The dimensions of the speakers are well suited for most ceiling and wall installations, making them a versatile addition to any audio setup. Included in the package are all necessary components such as the in-wall Bluetooth audio receiver, AC adapter, screws, ceiling speakers, and speaker wires to ensure a complete installation. Manufactured by Herdio, these speakers are designed to provide a high-quality and versatile audio experience for various room settings including living rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, and offices.